Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to rate a shift in the Instawork app, so you can provide feedback about your work experience. First, open the Instawork app and go to the Shifts tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of your completed shifts. Find the shift you want to rate and tap on it to open the details page. After a shift is completed, Instawork usually prompts you to leave a rating. But if not, you can manually find the rating option on the shift's details. To rate the shift, select the number of stars that reflect your experience, usually from 1 to 5 stars. You may also have the option to leave written feedback or comments about the employer or the shift itself. Once you've provided your rating and any comments, tap Submit to send your feedback. This helps employers improve and also assists other workers in understanding what to expect. Remember, honest and constructive ratings help create a better work environment for everyone. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.